I went to find this organic manure, but look what I really found. Oh. This one we call is Orimate, but I don't know what you say it. So see, so this one is an organic treat for our chicken. We have few chickens in our backyard, so like this, and I'll drop it here like this. 1, 2, and this one is a snail without cover. You can see it here. This one is Kumlekira. Another one. Another. One more. Look at here. We got this much, and now we are going to take it to our chicken. Let's see how they eat it. Thanks. Let's see. Here we have some chicken there. I'm going to take this treat to them. All the chickens have gathered here, so I'm going to pour out this insect here. So let's see how they react it. So look how they are really enjoying the fish today. Maybe they are really thanking me.